Humayun Saeed is one of the biggest stars in Lollywood. He is not only a successful actor but also an accomplished producer. Humayun is celebrating his 52nd birthday today. He marked his big day with his close family members and friends. Wife Samina Humayun Saeed, sister-in-law Sana Shanwaz, Khalilur Rahman Kamar, Nadeem Beg, and Qasim Ali Murid were present among others. Taking to Instagram, his wife and producer Samina Humayun Saeed shared a beautiful birthday wish for her husband. Samina shared the post with the caption, "Happy birthday to my everything. I thank Allah every day for bringing us together. Thank you for gifting me with such a beautiful life full of love, adventure, and peace. I fell in love with the most amazing person that you are and pray that you remain the same kind-hearted, giving, intelligent, forgiving, and most importantly caring. You have always made me so proud with your dedication to continue learning and growing in every step of the way, and may Allah show you more success, inshallah. May Allah bless me and our family with your company forever. Ameen. I love you so much at Said Humayun."